Full-service property management in Los Angeles County should mean proactive leasing, management, and maintenance services for your residential and commercial investments. The term full service means different things to different companies. To Bell Properties, it means taking care of every last thing, so you don't have to. Full-service leasing means managing everything from marketing to screening to taking care of the move-in inspection. We know how to reach the best tenants, and our services include establishing a market-supported rental value, marketing your property through online advertising and our vast real estate network, managing showings and responding to tenant inquiries, screening tenants consistently and fairly in accordance with fair housing laws, negotiating and executing your lease agreement. The result of our full-service leasing process is a lower vacancy period and a high-quality tenant. Once a great tenant is in place, we begin our full-service management plan, which includes on-time rent collection, responding to routine and emergency maintenance issues, property inspections for deferred maintenance and lease enforcement, financial reporting and transparent accounting statements, eviction protection, and legal guidance. We protect the condition of your property and your financial performance. You can expect us to maintain good relationships with residents, which reduces the risk of late payments, evictions, and property damage. Our team invests in technology and takes a customized approach to managing your Los Angeles County commercial, single, and multifamily residential investment. Find out why we're your best resource for professional and full-service property management in Los Angeles and the surrounding areas. Contact us at Bell Properties today.